Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So guys, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar charts, and as you can see today, we've ended the day in the green. We rallied initially, however, we did pair quite a lot of our gains, and we finished the day at around 1879, which is very good considering the fact the stock market plummeted on Friday's session. The Nasdaq was down around 3.4%, the S&P 500 was down around about 1%, and the Dow was down around 1.5%. So, gold and the stock market have been very much correlated for the past, year to 18 months. So I would have thought that, with the stock market being down in such fashion, that would have dragged down gold. But no, this support at the bottom of this consolidation channel that I've drawn for you on the charts, which is that blue rectangle, has offered lots of support in today's trading session. And as you can see from there, we have bounced. So this does make sense here in the gold markets. What we really need now going into next week is to be trading above the 50-day EMA. On Tuesday, we have the US presidential election between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. It'll be very interesting to see what happens and how gold reacts to that news. I think that we will get a second stimulus deal shortly after the US election has come to an end. And I think, whoever's in charge, whether it's Joe Biden or Donald Trump, that second stimulus deal will be one of their top priorities, because the people of America and the businesses of America, most importantly, need this second stimulus deal. They need aid. So many families who are unemployed, who have children, have gone for so long now without money. And I think once families start to get money in their pockets again, this is what will give companies profit. As people will probably do what they do best, and that is consume. But of course, this money doesn't come from a thin air. This money is printed by the Fed, and this will damage the demand for US dollars. And that is when gold thrives. When the dollar trades in the red, gold typically does very well. So this will be very good news for the gold markets. So I think right now the only obstacle in our way is the US election. Once the US election comes to an end, that's when this second stimulus deal will then be agreed upon in Congress between the Democrats and the Republicans, and that's what will be the catalyst which will then send gold to that next stage higher. If we can break out of this blue rectangle towards the upside, we are likely to go and reach my first take profit at 1951, my second take profit at 2000, and my third take profit up at 2100. If we get that second stimulus deal, I think that we actually go a lot higher. In my previous videos, I've spoken a lot about that this is how gold works. Here's a drawing from a video I did a couple of weeks ago, where we work in stages. So here, this area here, we rallied, then we had another holding pattern here, then we rallied again. That was the massive 30% decline in the stock markets we had back in March due to COVID. So I'm not really going to look too much into that, because it was a very unpredictable and unusual time. But shortly after, we rallied again. We was in a holding pattern, and then, as you can see, our previous rally was one of our biggest to date. And now I think we're just currently in that next bullish flag holding pattern before we start our rally and break out towards the upside and trade even higher. So I'm very bullish here on the gold markets. No interest in selling from a fundamental perspective. I don't think we've ever looked any better, and from a technical perspective, I think we look very good as well. There's only a matter of time now until the gold markets break out. I'm a buyer, no interest.